Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're here to teach you how to deactivate link previews in Slack. So let's dive right in. First up, open Slack and go to your workspace. This is your home base in Slack, where you'll find all your channels and direct messages. The reason we start here is that different workspaces can have different settings, so it's essential to be in the right one. Next, click on your workspace name at the top left corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Settings and Administration, then Workspace Settings. The reason we do this is to access the back end of your workspace where all the magic happens. Now that we've done that, you'll be taken to the Settings page. Scroll down until you see the Message Display section. Here's where you'll find the option to deactivate link previews. The reason we're here is that this is where Slack controls what shows up in your messages. Click on the Expand button next to Website Previews. You'll see an option that says Show Website Previews. Click on the drop-down menu and select Never. This helps us because it's the actual switch that turns off link previews. Finally, make sure to save your changes at the bottom of the page. This final step is crucial. Without saving, the changes won't apply, and Slack will continue to show link previews. And there you have it, folks. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully deactivated link previews in Slack. No more unwanted distractions in your messages. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.